this is what I observe in my daily work. It's just like to become aware of what is the minimal dosage my body and my system is able to handle at this point. And this can be sometimes just laying on the ground and pressing the feet into the ground. That's it. And just become aware of that the body is really not able to handle more like this.
Mm.
And this can be really painful in the beginning. But when you start exploring with simple things like this, at least this is what people report back to me after 1 week, they already can see that the body starts doing things which the body wasn't able to do months or years before that, because we just start to really find the intensity what the system is able to handle. And this is often what Benny was talking about with the yo-yo effect. We just have to find the right dosage and not thinking I have to go for a walk for 30 minutes because XYZ told me I need this, otherwise, blah, 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 blah. If the body is not able to handle 30 minutes and you're only feeling emotional bit better, you will just go back and forth. And yeah, this is the level of commitment you have to bring to really be open to reality and what's really happening in the system.
Mm, mm.